Simulation Tower, it's lift tour time, and first of all, high-rise lifts. These lifts go from 32 all the way up to 42. So let's ride them. So I was in a mid-rise lift. So first into the mid-rise lift. Wow, I think these lifts are kind of rotty. Anyways, and now, so let's see how the middle lifts go. The mid-rise lifts go from levels 22 and 32. So I just win the first lifts on the mid-rise lifts. And now in the high-rise lifts, these lifts go from ground floor, 32nd floor, and all the way up to 42. Hey, what is that? What was that? Cool. It is just like the other floors. It's just like the ground floor. And now to the low-rise lift. This is a very nice granny wall. I didn't know where I was even bothering to go to this place, as I wanted to see what's with this place that I didn't know about. As I remembered a lot for some videos, I did not watch all of the lives, and I did not know about this place. This is also the Western Tranquility City either. I do not have that building in my buildings folder. So that's for this story. Anyways, and now to a glass list of the meeting rooms. Let's ride them! And now, as I'm in 12th floor, here's the last floor of the atrium. As I do not know about this, there are some escalators there all the way up to the 12th floor. As I didn't know about this atrium that it has escalators. And now, as this time, let's go here and have an explore around the atrium. Another lift is in 12, as I don't know about this place. But I was bothered to go to went at this place. As I didn't know about this place, so I decided to went there, as I wanted to know something about this place where some Mitsubishi lives. And now, escalator surfing time. So, I'm not just only constipated. I just a few days ago, I just vomited all of the dinner that I have in Sunday. I just vomited all of the dinner in Sunday that I have, as I didn't know about. Well, but guys, do not pretend that I'm a female, because I am now a male, and I'm doing better as boys. As I'm now doing escalator 7 times to the 12th floor. This is a very nice, as I didn't know about that there were some escalators to go up to the 12th floor. So the last floor of the atrium is 12, and it is the last floor of a list of the meeting rooms. As I did not know about meeting rooms, so I never entered into a meeting room that I didn't know about. So in Interchange Hospital, there were also some meeting rooms in the last floor of meeting rooms in Interchange Hospital was 12A. The atrium started from the 3rd floor, which mezzanine was that building skips 2nd floor and 1st floor. Well, the car park doesn't last any much until the top floor of the BT rooms, which is 12. So I now arrived to the 12th floor, and there's a very good item to see. As I didn't know about this building, so I told you in the previous part of the video. And now, time to get back down. Oh, should I do on the, let's go on the staircase. Spooky! There's too much floors to go. Past floor 11, past floor 10, past floor 9, past floor 8, past floor 7, past floor 6, past floor 5, past floor 4, past floor 3, past floor 2, past floor 1, and now I arrived to the ground floor, and there's the door of the exit of the staircase, and now into a vaulty car park, and I do not know where's the lifts in the car park, as I do not remember about car parks. Oh well, are they here? And now into the car park and into the next lifts. Oh well, and they are also glass lifts. At least these lifts are kind of good. Even this building is the most taller building in Tranquility City. As I did not know about Tranquility City. Tranquility City was a city made by Mary Montaigne. As I did not know about Tranquility City. The lift is so slow. Oh, is it Draco Games is live? As I do know about Draco Games. I just also met him in YouTube and I also met him in real life. as I'm constipated, I just coughed. As you are listening to the video. Oh God! Oh, at least I'm kind of safe. I just survived and I did not do a game over in this lift towards time of today. And now to the glass lift way to express to the Tranquility Restaurant. As these lifts are very fast and I cannot see anything when they are going up. These borders, what to say, they are in windows. As I now arrived to 42. Oh well, at least